Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Janowitz, and I just want to thank you for being a part of our team. You really mean a lot to us. The first thing I want to do is share with you a bit about our brand and our icon that you are a part of, the Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic or Synergy icon. So the first element that you look at is when we look at this, it's a one big circle with the dots on the top, right? You'll see that image right next to me. Now what happens is the bottom of that icon is brown and orangish, and what that symbolizes is being grounded in principles. And the first thing you want to know is that this office is principle based, and so the principle of chiropractic is a few really core things. Number one, the principle is that the nervous system controls the body. So all parts of your body, all the muscles and organs and glands are all controlled by the nervous system, and that communication from the brain to the body and body back to the brain. The second principle is that the body is designed to heal. And so in chiropractic, this is not about the treatment of symptoms or the covering up of symptoms with medication. It's not the medical model or the mechanistic model. It is a vitalistic model, which means that the body is designed to heal, that there's something within the body that allows us to heal. And as chiropractors, our team is highly skilled at removing that interference to thus allow your body to fully express itself. So we can get stuck and be very mechanical in the work that we do in the front desk, greeting patients, exiting them, doing the therapies, the adjustments. All the things can become very mechanical, but we have to realize that the essence of what we do, the importance of what we do, the mission of what we do is to allow the body to heal, to thrive, and to flourish by removing the interference. And as chiropractors, we understand that. So there's a saying that we say, number one, the body doesn't need any help, it just doesn't need any interference. And another saying we say is that the power that made the body heals the body. And so that is the principle of chiropractic. And let's see if you remember some of these principles on the next testing here.